I've been building things for 57 years. My father ran a construction crew in San Diego, built 300 houses at a time, and taught me woodworking. I started out building, just learning how to use the tools, learning how the material worked, and then in 7th grade met a rock and roll band. And then worked my way through college, building speaker cabinets for big touring sound systems. Briefly working in the aerospace industry, where I designed testing equipment for aircraft parts. Piano, working with the inventor of the Rhodes piano, Harold Rhodes. Started working on a project for IBM for a computer-controlled automated microscopic measurement system that could measure with NBS traceable absolute accuracy to 1 micron. Medical industry, where I worked with one of the world's most famous vitreoretinal eye surgeons. So I ended up in the R&D group of Disney Imagineering, and my telepresence robot actually won a prize at the Sony Tech Fair in Tokyo. And then about 2 years ago, I got this wild idea. I think I'm going to learn glass blowing. I've always been fascinated by glass whenever there's a glass blower anywhere, at a fair and in a store. And I've always thought, wow, glass is such a beautiful art form, and I just love it so much. And the most unlikely random series of events followed from that. I posted on a glass blowing forum and said, anybody know a teacher who lives near me? And the woman that ran the forum said, oh yeah, my ex-husband lives right down the street from you. And that was Matt Giesler. He taught me a lot of things and introduced me to this bunch. And what an amazing stroke of luck to go from a total beginner saying, I think I'm going to take up this hobby, to working with some of the top people in the business. In the process of learning glass blowing, I discovered that I was having trouble spinning with my left hand because I have a bit of nerve damage in my left hand. Learning to spin a glass rod was kind of hard, and I wasn't getting it. Being a creative guy with a machine shop in my garage, I thought, hey, maybe I'll invent a machine to do that.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Marcel Braun. I'm captain of the Starship at Eugene, Oregon, and I've been blowing glass for about 23 years or more. So I've been engineering solutions for glass blowing almost since I started blowing glass, based on a necessity to have tools when I didn't really have tools. I first heard about the NQALHA project when my friend Matt Giesler introduced me to Mike Peterson. Mike brought me NQALHA 8 around July or August of 2017. So I've been working with it for a good amount of time. Really seen it come a long way, which has been super amazing. What I would recommend is putting this in this way. The level of custom engineering that is in the NQALHA is something that you really wouldn't be able to access as an individual maker, or if you didn't have all the skills to fabricate a custom circuit board and then write the software to run on that custom circuit board that you fabricated, and then also build the tool and make the design changes as they came up, and without spending, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Mike's come into our industry and is able to take that varied experience and bring us projects that really capitalize on the technology in a robust, engineered way.
The user interface is super configurable because it's all software.
Oh yeah, this is saving me tons of work right now. I can take a step back and evacuate from the heat zone. It actually does save you tons of time and effort, and it really does things that normally you have to hire an assistant for, or ask somebody to help you for. For an experienced glass worker, the feeling of learning to blow glass is something you forget. It's back to beginning glass blowing, and I think that that's refreshing for some of us.
Here we go.
Okay,
the cool part.
It looks amazing.